What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a clean logo for free in under 5 minutes. So guys, as many of you may already know, a few weeks ago I did a video where I looked at an online logo maker, and a lot of you left some positive and also negative comments regarding the website. Of course, I understand that an online logo maker is not going to appeal to everybody. A lot of you are graphic designers yourself and you can create your own logos, whether that be inside Photoshop or Illustrator. However, there is a lot of people out there that are starting up a business, for example, and they have no experience in those programs and they just want a logo for either free or really cheap, and they also want it as fast as possible. If that does perfectly explain you, then hopefully this website is going to help you out. Of course, as I mentioned previously, I did receive a lot of feedback on my last video, so I went out and I did look for other alternatives, other online logo makers, and this one really did stand out to me. The site that we will be using in this video is called RenderForest. I will leave a link to it in the description down below, and as you can see right now, you are able to create your own logo on this site and also create your own video. Specifically, I'm going to go into detail on how to actually create your own logo, of course in under 5 minutes, and then after that you can start creating video with it, and I'll show you briefly how to do that as well. Anyways guys, if you do go on to enjoy this video or the video does help you, then please be sure to leave a like. That would be much appreciated, and without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, once you are on the RenderForest homepage, all you have to do is go up to the top tab here which says make logo, and then once you click on that you will be directed to a brand new page where you can start. So first of all you want to do is where it says your company name is you want to enter in your company name. It's pretty self-explanatory, and then after you have done that you can press the create my logo button and you will be directed to the editor page. All you have to do now is go ahead and follow the steps, which are really simple. So first of all, please tell us what kind of logo you want. So I'm going to put I want a logo for my graphic design business, clean and professional. It would help if I could spell that. Once you have inputted your information, just press that next button there at the bottom, and now all you have to do is choose one or more text styles that you do like, and then you can get started with your logo creation. For me personally, I really like the regular one because I want it basic, and I'm also going to select the light one here because I like the look of both of those. Once you are done, all you have to do is press the next button one more time, and as you can see now, it will open up this sort of logo editor page where you are given a variety of different logo options, and you can also go ahead and customize them once you have chose one. Simply looking at the logos here on the left hand side, I really like the look of this first one. However, I also like the look of this one, but I'm going to go with the first one. So all you have to do is click on the one you want and then press customize and finish once you are done. As you can see, once you are on this editor page, it's actually really easy to navigate through. So here on the left hand side you have 4 different tabs. You've got your text, color, icon and adjust. So I'm going to go through all of these in order to create my perfect logo. First of all, you want to make sure your logo name's correct. You can also add a tagline if you wish, so maybe you could write graphic designer. After that, you are given the option to select your text style. So if the one you are using it does not appeal to you, then of course you can choose another one. After I've done that, I'm going to move over to color, and I'm going to go ahead and choose a color from the suggested color palettes options. If you want to choose your own colors, it's really simple. All you have to do is click on the circle and you can find a color there that does suit you. I really like the look of this though, so I'm now going to move over to the next step, which is icon. I already have an icon here, but if you do want to add your own, you want to search for a new one and swap it out. All you have to do is just basically search for it. It's as simple as that. So now the final tab here, we have adjust. On here you can basically alter the positioning, the text size and everything like that. So I'm going to move the positioning. I'm now happy with this one, and once you are finished with your logo, of course you want to press that done button there, and you are given the 2 payment options. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you do want the free option, then choose that left one there and you will get a low quality PNG which is still usable, and also the logo for non-profit use. Of course, if you do have the money to spare, then you can go with the paid one, and then you will get the high quality version of the logo and the full rights. Once you have finished your logo, what's great about this site in comparison to some others is you can of course use the video feature that they have on there. So all you have to do is go to create video, and as you can see, you have promotional videos, intros and logos, slideshows, and a variety of different options. I really like the look of the one that is playing now. It looks really clean. So all I'm going to do is press that create now button, and we can follow the steps from there. Creating your video is just as easy as the logo. All you have to do is either add your text or your logo. So I'm going to click where it says your logo here and upload my personal logo. I'm also going to add my website here on the tagline. The next step is actually music. So you can go ahead, click on that. You can search through the whole library or just use one of the recommended music, which is what I'm personally going to do. After you have chose your music option, you can then go to preview, and you can look at a free preview of the video before you do purchase it. And I understand a lot of you are not going to want that watermark there on your video. So in order to resolve this, I'm actually going to be giving away 10 HD coupon codes, which will give you guys the ability to purchase a free video for yourself, which of course does cost a fair amount of money. I don't want to make the giveaway too hard to enter, so all you have to do is leave a like on the video and then comment down below #visualgang followed by either your Twitter or email. After waiting a few minutes, my video has finished rendering, so I'm going to press the download button here, and we're going to play this video in full HD to see what it looks like. As I mentioned beforehand, this site will not appeal to everybody. However, if you are looking to create a logo or video in under 5 minutes and you have no experience whatsoever, then this site is going to be perfect for you. Anyways guys, that is it for the video. Hopefully you did go on to enjoy it. If you did, then make sure to leave a like. That would be much appreciated. And if the video did help and you want to see more graphic design videos like this in the future, then please consider subscribing to the channel with post notifications on, and you will be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And finally guys, if you are looking to improve any of your graphic design skills, I recommend you check out my design store, which has a load of packs on there that will help you improve. And yes guys, that's it for the video. Hopefully you did enjoy. This has been Visual or James, and I'm out. Peace.